Hey everyone,
My
welcome back to
channel
my
that
channel
is
that is
Tech
Tech
Aruna,
Karuna, and I
and I
hope
hope all of you
all of
know
you
that
know
I'm
that
running
I'm
a
running a
series on
series on Canva
Canva
tutorial.
tutorial. And today's episode, we are going to learn about how to give a text intro by zooming. How to give a text intro by zooming. That is what we are going to learn today. And for that, without wasting much time, we are going to enter into Canva platform and log in and then open a blank video template. After that, just choose shape and then resize it into a bigger size. Yeah, you have to resize it and then change the color, whatever preferred color. I'm going to choose black color and then add text over here. So I'm going to add paragliding, and you can choose the font and make it bigger. You can make it as big as possible. So we are done with that. Now we have to download this. So we are going to go and click the button share and again click the button download and make the size to the maximum and then download. After getting this download done, just click on it and bring it to the uploads. So we are going to upload the downloaded part. We are going to delete this page and choose the video which you want to add for the text intro. Now let us go for this video. Done. And right click and make it as background. You need to click set video as the background. Let us just run the video and see. So it's working properly. Done. So we are going to go for the uploads which we have done earlier, and let us check whether our file is there or not. So here it is. Now bring that paragliding here. Now the first and foremost thing what you need to do is just edit the photo and go for background remover. Go to edit photo, click on background remover and wait for the background to get removed. So after that, it is going to look somewhere like this. Now we are going to actually enlarge this to fix the whole screen. I think it is done. Now we need to actually make it smaller, and then again you need to split the page. Done. Now the splitting is done. Now go to that second video, and that is second page, and then what you need to do is just select it, and then you actually need to enlarge the image which we have added. We are going to make it bigger and bigger and bigger size, so do that. until you get a very big, you know, and then make it scale bigger, and let us run this and see. We need to go for transition. We are going to add transition, and let us see what are all the things available. We are going to go for match and move, and the duration seconds should be the maximum. Now let us play this and see how this works. Here it is. So that's all from my desk today. And if you found this useful, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, do comment in the comment box. And thank you for watching. Not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. So thank you for watching once again.